Alright, hey, Dana here. Welcome to my garage. This is Project CF Moto Z6. Alright, what I'm doing right now is I've got to pull this U-joint off of the drive shaft for the gearbox. Now what you can see right now is the U-joint. And what I did, to do that you got to pull these little clips, because if you don't, that cup will not slide out. So the nice thing about this situation right now is because it's been so lubricated all this time that those cups are just gonna pop right out. So what I gotta do is right now is I'm pushing this side, and then I'll go push the other side, and I'll get those cups popped out. Sorry about that. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Alright, well, we'll turn right back around. So what I did, okay, here's the U-joint. All I did was, I took that long, you use anything long, it's not going to hurt anything. I used a seal puller, and you got to pull those little, you see those clips there? You got to pull those clips out on both sides. So all I did was I pounded on this side till this one came out. Pull that out, and then you're able to just pull the U-joint, or this whole U-assembly out. Now what I'm doing is I got to get on that nut, which I just discovered was now when I was. Okay, now I got to get on that nut right there. See it? To 21. Now we'll back that off, and then we'll be able to pull this. Come on, we'll be able to pull this out. Somehow I got to hold on to that so I can back that nut off. Then we got to find out what size seal that is sitting on, and I think the minute I pull that out, it's going to drain the gearbox. We'll find out though. And then we'll put the new one in, and then we'll do reverse order. I still haven't had a chance to order bushings for this. Alright, so I need 21. 21 is in my Mustang. Be back in a minute. Alright, I'll show you my setup, but I just want to turn it, and the nut is like hand tight. I don't even think. See, I can even turn my hand on it. So I am just going to go ahead and get a new sleeve, new one on it anyway. While I'm here. Was very tight. I used that seal puller. Okay, this is what I did. 1/2-inch drive. Sent that right on straight down to it with I got a universal on that, and it was a 21. As you see, I backed that off. What I did over here is, because it's part of the whole drive shaft onto here, I took that and I plugged it into got it in the U-joint on that one and locked it down. But like I just said, the freaking nut on this was only like, it was hand tight. It was hand tight. So, great. Okay, now all we gotta do is just slide that out, as you can see. It just slides out. It's got a washer. Don't lose the washer. Okay. And this will come out. See if I lose any oil. Yep, I'm losing oil. Yep. We're changing the whole. We're changing all the oil. that's probably going to drop just on the 4 quarts. So there we are. Now we got to find a seal for it and get it back together. We'll go from there. So there we are. Okay, I've just pulled it out. This is what we're looking at. Looks like it's too worn around the seal edges here, so that should be alright. I don't know where it's getting beat up so bad. I'll have to look into that. So now we got to get in there. Now we got to get in there, and we got to yank this seal out of here. It's a thick round one. Thick round. Get that out of there. You can see it's draining our engine oil out of there. Because it's going straight into off your crank. So we gotta pop this right off of there. It's a new one. You know? I would hate. I don't want to know at this point, but maybe it's just because that nut was loose. That's leaking. But I'm in here already. I'm gonna go ahead and yank that